que fumar. Pátio de Coelho do Amaral, lanchou rua do Padre João, Clímaco, Pátio de Coelho do Amaral, slices of Macau Streets and courtyards of Macau. Walking down Rua do Padre João, Clímaco, going down Rua do Padre João, Clímaco, checking out Rua do Padre João, Clímaco, just walking Rua do Padre João, Clímaco. Macau streets and courtyards of Macau. Walking down Pátio de Coelho do Amaral, going down Pátio de Coelho do Amaral, checking out Pátio de Coelho do Amaral, just walking Pátio de Coelho do Amaral.
So this is Rua do Padre João, Clímaco. We're gonna just show you where we're at. So we're on this Horta y Costa Avenida, and the red market is right down that way as well. So we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're gonna walk down the street. Kind of bright sun right here, but we're gonna get in the shade shortly. So stay tuned, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, let me get out of the sun. That's much better. Look at those colors, it's so much better. And actually down that way there's a market. So straight through that little road and all that whole area, there's a whole market right in that space. The beauty of that road as well. This one I remember when the typhoon hit and some of these trees were down. But this is kind of a nice road that the trees give some oxygen and kind of take up some of the exhaust fumes. So this bigger street is next to the red market. So I think what we're gonna do is check out some of the stuff along the way, including the red market. That's all. I'm probably gonna go to the red market right there. Let's see here. We're gonna also go to the right as soon as we can. Chinese New Year, Year of the Horse. So right now it's 2026, and today's date is February 2nd. I'll probably put this up mid-February probably. They're getting all set up for the Chinese New Year. And recently I filmed in this area right here. There's a little street right down this way. Livrillos. So yeah, that one goes right into that cafe right there. And then we're gonna go back. Okay. And then there's a red market. We're gonna walk over that way briefly. Look at those bright colors. So yeah, that's a red market, Vermelho Mercado Vermelho. And that's actually like probably the biggest market in the city. So if you go inside there, there's I heard there's restaurants up at the top, and then in the middle you can buy fruits and vegetables. There's flowers right to the right, and there's lots of fruit to the left. But it's not our target street, so we'll continue. We'll continue down our target street. Okay, Padre, it's Padre João Clímaco. Padre is father. Here's a pastoral diocese, like a youth center for the church. Okay. So how to get across the street? Our street continues onward. Looks like we have to go this way. So let me just kind of see here. There we go. So it looks like we can continue down this way. And our street continues down this way. Straight ahead is Mongha. Mongha is, there's a lot of history to Mongha. There's like a fort up at the top. There's some army gear stuff. I think this must be connected to the churches, maybe? The church property does have some space up here. I'm gonna go to the other side because that's gonna get really sunny. Yeah, I can hear the kids. So I think back there was something about the youth area. So we'll go on this side. Here's a Honolulu cafe. There's also a little bit of a street. We might just walk in this alley real quick, and just to make it kind of interesting. There's Honolulu Cafe right there. Okay, let me see here. So yeah, this is a little patio. Patio is like a courtyard. So we're gonna add that one. So we're gonna add these two. I think our Padre is not so interesting, but this might be a little bit more interesting. Looks like there's a shrine in here. Okay. Oh. Okay, let me see. This this is like kind of private space in here. We have this nice shrine. So we're gonna walk through this one, then we'll go back to our target street. The Travessa. Pretty cool. Yeah, this looks more interesting in here. than our street, than our Padre João. But we're gonna go back around and then we'll connect them. Not all the streets are interesting, and you know, but I do want to document them because they could change in time. And I've actually never filmed this street before, so this will be my first time to actually capture it. Let's see here. Parking garage. Yeah, it looks like we're coming out to some colonial house up here. So a little Travessa. Oh, okay. I haven't been here in a while. So we're gonna go back to our target street. And that's gonna be straight ahead. So this is I don't think I've filmed this street in quite a while either. There's a lot of streets in here I haven't filmed in a while. So you get a little bit of a taste of it. If you're looking at the map, you can see that we're kind of, we went down this little alley that went off of our target street, which is right ahead. And then this little one is, I have been in this one recently. And then this is our street that we were just trying to capture. There we go. The part that we missed was that one where we went down the alley, but we kind of missed something not too interesting. This is actually more interesting over here. Okay. We're gonna end our video right there.